Want to listen to NFL Sunday Ticket in audio-only mode? First, launch open the NFL Sunday Ticket app on your phone or tablet. Then start playing a game. Tap on the gear icon or audio options in the player. From here, select audio-only mode if available. This will turn off the video stream and let you listen without using as much data. If you're using YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket, open the YouTube TV app, start the game, and then minimize the video by tapping the screen and select audio mode. This keeps the commentary and play-by-play running in the background while you use less bandwidth. You can also lock your screen or use headphones to keep listening while on the go. This is perfect for driving, working out, or saving battery life. Remember that audio-only mode is device dependent, so if you don't find the option in the app, update to the latest version or try using YouTube TV's background play feature. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.